Remember when solving word problems to follow the 6 steps that were identified in the textbook, where the first one was to identify, and the second one is to name, and the third one is to translate, the fourth one is to solve, then we need to check our work, and the last one is to answer the question. Glenn works as a computer salesman and earns $400 weekly plus 8% commission on his weekly sales. If he wants to make at least $750 in a week, how much must his sales be? In this word problem, we're going to end up with this equation. What we're trying to find out here is what his weekly sales must be. That is what our x is going to represent here. 400 represents his weekly earnings regardless how much he sells. 0.08 here is the 8% for commission. 750 shows how much he wants to earn for that week total. Now, we just solve our equation. To solve the equation, I'll subtract 400 from both sides. This will give us 0.08x is equal to 350. Now I'll get x by itself by dividing both sides by 0.08. And this will give us x is equal to 4,375. Now x again represents how much his sales must be to earn $750 total for the week. So x is telling us that we need to earn $4,375 to reach his goal. To check our solution here, let's assume that Glenn did have $4,375 worth of sales. If we find 8% of that, we would get 350, and 350 plus 400 would give us our $750. So our problem does check, it does make sense, $4,375 is reasonable. The final step for solving this problem is to write a complete sentence showing the solution. So our sentence will read, Glenn's weekly sales must be at least $4,375 for him to earn at least $750.